The Coach Dinky bag is a classic crossbody bag that has been a staple in Coach's collection for many years. Handbag known for its minimalist design, high-quality leather, and iconic turnlock closure. The Coach Dinky crossbody bag is a versatile and stylish accessory that can be dressed up or down. Handbag Dinky perfect for everyday use or special occasions. The leather is soft and durable, and the turnlock closure is easy to use. The bag is also comfortable to wear, thanks to the adjustable crossbody strap. Color: the Coach Dinky crossbody bag is available in a variety of colors, including black, brown, red, and blue. The price of the bag varies depending on the color and material. It typically ranges from $200 to $300. Overall, the Coach Dinky handbag is a timeless piece that will never go out of style. It is a great investment for anyone looking for a high-quality and stylish crossbody bag.